You know Zack D films. He creates shorts that get hundreds of millions of views. I loved his animation style, but we're going to create long videos in his style. Also, I'll tell you a trick to monetize AI videos. If you're serious about starting a channel, you should start by getting a monetized channel. This way, you don't have to wait for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and even worse, 8,000 watch hours after 2026. So a monetized channel is worth every penny. I've prepared the master prompt for this style of content. You just need to copy it and head over to ChatGPT. Enter the prompt and send it. You'll get to choose from different niches like AI and technology, human body and biology, life hacks, history, food, and survival. I'm picking life hacks and everyday science. Now you'll get 10 different video ideas. I'm picking what actually happens to your phone battery at 1%. Then you need to choose a duration. Let's pick 30 seconds for this demo. Now we'll get the complete narration script, the scene breakdown, then image prompts for all the scenes, then animation prompts for all the images, and lastly, the voiceover script. I'd suggest recording your own voice to avoid demonetization on YouTube. Open Flow and switch to image. Choose 16:9 for long videos or 9:16 for short videos. Use the image prompt to generate 2 images per prompt. Pick one image and delete the other. Following the same process, generate all the images. Once you have all 5 images ready, go back and copy the first animation prompt. Switch to video, then frames, select 16:9, and pick the duration accordingly. Upload the image as the first frame and enter the animation prompt to generate the video. Following the same process, generate all the videos and download them to your device. Copy the voiceover text and search for Google AI Studio. Then select Generate Speech. Here, pick a speaker for your video, enter the script, and generate the voiceover.
Your phone doesn't die the moment it reaches 1%.
Open any editing software, like CapCut, and import all the audio and video files into it. Click Sort and select Time Created. Add some basic cuts to match the video clips to the voiceover. That's it. Your video is ready.
Your phone doesn't die the moment it reaches 1%. That last percent is actually a safety buffer controlled by the battery management system. Inside the battery, lithium ions are still moving between layers, but voltage is approaching a critical limit. The phone begins shutting down background tasks, reducing performance, and conserving power. If the battery drops too low, permanent damage can occur. That final 1% is your phone's last line of defense before protecting itself by shutting down completely.
The link is in the description to get a monetized channel.